Did you find Maddie? Good morning, everyone. Yes. Look who we have, Hi Finners. You guys, we are so excited for today. We are hanging out with Maddie and my brother Brett.
What's up?
They're newlyweds. They're the best. They're so fun. We got their Jeep, you guys, with the top off. We're gonna have a blast day. We're gonna go hiking. Look, Finn already has a smile on his face.
So excited.
We're gonna go hiking and then hit the pool. So we are gonna have an awesome summer day. So let's get the Saturday started. Finn, you ready to go? You ready to go, puppy?
You already look tired, huh?
Yeah, come on, wake up.
My brother Brett, he is the youngest of my family. Brett, how old are you?
25.
25, and he's also the tallest of our siblings.
And funniest.
And funniest. Comment down below how tall you think Fred is. He is super tall. And Maddie, you guys have been married for how long?
Almost 3 months.
3 months! Newlyweds.
We're so old now.
They got married down in Las Vegas. That's where Maddie's from. Had a beautiful wedding. If you guys haven't checked out, we were actually down there, did a video with them. So check out their video. But we cannot wait to just hang out, enjoy some sunshine today, and have a blast. And Finn is just so excited. He won't wipe the smile off his face.
He's so cute.
This is gonna be one of his
so
like
happy.
first real hikes, you guys. Huh, Finners, you're so excited. Yes. The start of the hike, it is called
Lower Bells Reservoir. No, Lower
Bells Canyon.
Yeah, something like that.
Lower Bells Canyon, you guys. We're bringing Finn. We got cute Brett and Maddie with us. You guys ready to hike?
Yeah.
You guys, the sun is out. It could not be a more beautiful day. So let's get out there.
And luckily, I decided to wear all black on one of the hottest days of the summer.
It's okay, I'm there with you.
This vlog is going to be a two-part one, only because I'm out of breath and we were only about 10 seconds in.
Oh boy. We're about 10 minutes into this good workout.
Do it.
We got this. We got this, Maddie. It's pretty much stairs all the way up at this point. Finn's excited. He's saying hi to everyone out here. Let's go. He's getting kind of tired.
Here, come on, buddy.
You need a drink?
So cute.
There you go.
Oh, good job, Finny. That's much better.
Let's go, 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 go.
Oh! Oh, good job. We are just starting, but look at the view already up here. Those are cool shades.
Thanks, Jared gave them to me.
Let's see, are those KZ? Check them out. That's Jared's old company, Jared and
We
Sean.
used to own this company. We sold it though.
It's called KZ Sunglasses. They have really awesome sunglasses.
They float and we're going to a lake, so.
Perfect. You can jump in, Brett. We're doing good. We're about halfway there.
Oh, I wish we were there.
Jared wishes we were there, but we're doing good.
I don't know if you guys can hear it, but there's a full-on river right now. Last time we came here, it was like a tiny little stream. So we're super excited to go to the top of this to see the lake because last time there was pretty much no lake, but this time there's gotta be one. What in the world?
We just made it to the river. It's probably hard to hear me, but look how strong the river is because of all the rain we've had. That is crazy.
Alright guys, so I decided I still may go to the gym, but I think I'm gonna take it off today, only because we're doing this hike. I am winded.
Come on, pick it up, Jared.
Brett and Britt just said to pick it up a little. Well guys, guess what? I'm out of shape. Actually, on a plus note, I am carrying our drone bag, a water bottle, a GoPro, and also I'm holding the camera, as well as about 30 pounds of fat. All right, we made it, baby.
Just over these rocks is the reservoir. Look at Brett.
This is Finn's first experience with lake.
Ben is loving it.
Guys, we made it up to the top! Woo!
It was questionable there for a second, you guys. It got a little steep, but we made it, and look at this view.
Oh my gosh, look at this, you guys. Finn is going nuts right now over the geese.
He's
In
having
fact,
a heyday.
there's one hissing at him.
The clouds came in, so we have a little break from the sun, but it is beautiful out here. Definitely recommend this hike. It took us, what, guys, about half an hour?
Yeah,
Oh,
we'll get on
easy.
that all.
We had to carry Finn at one point. He's a little
Yeah.
for some of those steps, but it is incredible. If you're ever in Utah, come hike this. This is Lower Bills Canyon. There's a further hike up to a waterfall.
Oh my gosh, yeah, so
That's
let's,
up,
can we
like,
point right there,
there.
right there. Brittany and I came here last year and there was this water you see behind us, none of it was here.
Yeah, it was
In
dry.
fact, we actually walked across the, what's it called?
Lake bed.
We actually walked across the lake bed
Thank you, Maddie.
because it was a shortcut and easy. We were super unprepared, we only had one bottle of water, and we got here and we talked to someone, they said, oh, the hike isn't too much further up to the waterfalls, and we're like, okay, yeah, we'll go do it. I think like 6 hours later, we made it to the top.
Yeah, it was a long hike. But today was perfect, you guys. So we're hungry. We're gonna go grab some lunch, right, guys?
Please.
And then we're gonna hit the pool. So you guys, Finn might have had a little too much fun. He went from being super white and clean to soaking wet and brown. So we're gonna dip him. But he's had tons of fun. Huh, Finners? Okay. We're gonna dip him to try and clean him off. Yeah. Bad business. Good boy.
What up? Going down.
So Britt is carrying down Finn because he's exhausted.
The only reason that didn't get dirty is the top of his head.
Guys, this stuff is steep. Well, you guys, we made it. Brittany's butt's hurting. No, it's burning because of the sun. There's no roof to the top and it's just been cooking.
Are you sure? We, okay, hold on.
Anyway, I'm gonna cut that part out later.